So I wanted to share with you another moment from my Tesla Model 3 ownership experience, which has left me with a massive smile on my face yet again. Referring somebody for a new Tesla, and not just how simple this has been, but how lucrative it can be as well. So buckle up and let's get into it. So if you're an existing owner of a Tesla, you will probably have seen in the Tesla mobile app a little banner at the top which says that if you refer somebody for a new Tesla, you will get £750 of Tesla credits to spend, and you'll get them £500 off of their new Tesla. Well, thanks to my wee YouTube channel, which obviously is taking over the world, and the fact that my wife is quite sociable in our village, she happens to know a couple who are looking to buy a new Tesla Model Y and have seen my channel and thought to approach us about possibly referring them so that they obviously get a discount on their new car and we also get some Tesla credits. Yes, please. So, like many other things with Tesla, it's unbelievably simple how you actually go about the referral. And essentially, all you need to have is that person you're referring's contact details in your phone. In this case, I had to get them added, but once they were in there, all I had to do was go into the Tesla mobile app, and I've got the permission set that it can access my contacts. And then you basically scroll through once you've clicked the refer button and look for your contact, press share, and they get sent a link. Could not be easier. The buyer then just goes to the dealership that they want to buy the car from, and they show them the unique link that you as the referrer has given them, and they get £500 off the purchase of their car when they sign the deal. And then as the referrer, you get sent an email basically confirming that you have referred somebody successfully, and you get £750 worth of credits added to your account. And it really is as simple as that. I got told by the buyer when he was going to purchase the car, and sure enough, very soon after that, I got an email saying, yeah, you've got £750 of credits added to your account. I went into my wallet on the app and boom, there they were.
Easy money.
However, if you are an existing Tesla owner, then a lot of the information I'm giving here is actually contained in the app. But if you're somebody who's thinking, do I go for a Tesla or one of these other EVs that are up and coming? What are the perks that you get with being a Tesla owner? Well, this part is quite important because these Tesla credits, they can be used for just about anything within the Tesla app that you want to buy. So you could use it, one, for the supercharger network. So imagine if you were given a fuel card with £750 on it that you could use for traveling about in. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Well, you can use your credits for using the supercharger network. That could be quite valuable to a lot of people. You can also use it for software upgrades, which my car technically already has all of them except the acceleration boost. And so basically you could get the premium pack or any of the driverless technology packs, all that sort of stuff. You can also use it for merch and accessories and things like that as well, and also servicing. And that's amazing. So essentially for all the servicing this car actually has, you could still use it to maybe put on new tires or to get things fixed or whatever. So that really is quite amazing. But there is one small catch, and that is that you only have 12 months to use the credits on your account. So if you don't have any service intervals coming up that you think you really need to do something, then it might not be that. And if you're not somebody that does a lot of long journeys, you might not need the supercharger network. So using it for upgrades or maybe tires or something is possibly going to be the sensible thing to use it for. But in my case, I don't know, I'm really thinking about the acceleration boost. But the best thing about all this is you do get 10 chances to refer somebody. 10. So if you think about that, you could spread out the £750, and if you can find people to keep referring, then you could save a lot of money over the time you have your car. I'm not exactly sure if it's 10 referrals whilst you have your specific car, or if it's just on your Tesla account, and if you change Teslas, it's still part of your 10. I'm not sure about that. Somebody can let me know in the comments. But in part, this kind of came about as a result of my YouTube channel. And so it would be kind of remiss of me not to try and exploit that angle a little bit more. So if there's anybody out there who's looking to buy a new Tesla, feel free to reach out to me because maybe we could help each other out. I would absolutely love to have a few of these credits more on my account that I can justify getting the acceleration boost. I'd love to make some content about that for you. I really want to show my kids what the car's like when I put my foot down with that. It'll be amazing. So yeah, that would be cool, guys, but that's not the reason for this video. I just wanted to share the experience because I'm just really giddy about these little things with Tesla. I just get really excited about these little touches that Tesla do. And it's a bit like the servicing when they came to my house. I just thought that was so cool and unique. And it just breeds brand loyalty, I think, you know, and I really appreciate touches like this. I don't know if other EV makers actually do this sort of stuff, but Tesla do, and that's the key thing for me. So I'm absolutely buzzing about this. I think you could probably tell that. But yeah, Tesla, you've absolutely nailed it yet again. And as much as I really don't like Elon Musk, This is just too good. You know, at the moment, there's really so few things to complain about that are really significant, and that is just another sweetener for the deal, and I love it. But thank you again massively to the family who thought to share their referral with us. Hugely appreciated. I owe you a beer. And thanks to all of you for watching this video. And if you did enjoy it and found it useful, please do give it a like. Feel free to drop me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.